Oh, we're very confident about the articles and how they can be proven before the impeachment court. And I, in fact, I'm very excited to sit down with the other members of the prosecution panel because we have to really buckle down and make sure that maayos ang bawat element ng bawat article at ma-identify din natin sino ba yung uupo bilang testigo para dyan, para ma-establish yung different elements. And then, yung anong ebidensya ang susuporta. Just like when I handle a regular criminal case, yan naman ang ginagawa ko eh. Unang-una, ina-identify ko based on the charges, what are the elements in the law, what are the elements we have to prove, how are we going to prove that, who are the witnesses we will call, what evidence will we submit to the court to ensure that every element has been proven by the standard required by the court.